Mount the mirror on the inside of the glass so the stone chip is visible in the reflection. Now use the drill and drill gently into the center of the stone chip at a 45-degree angle. This is done to remove any dirt in the stone chip while creating better adhesion for the pit filler. It also makes it easier to open up the stone chip after. Drill down until the ball on the drill bit is just below the surface. Use the slide hammer to scrape out any leftover glass dust. Use the slide hammer to open up the stone chip, allowing the liquid resin to access the full stone chip. By opening up the stone chip, it also becomes easier to remove any remaining water or moisture. Place the 3-in-1 repair bridge so the center of the vacuum piston is centered right on top of the stone chip. Before mounting the repair bridge, it is important to ensure that it is in the correct position. This is done by grabbing the rotating part of the bridge and rotating it until you hear a click. Now turn the 3-in-1 repair bridge towards the heating-cooling section. Turn on the system and activate the heating button to the right. Wait until the glass is heated to around 60 degrees Celsius. The heating process is indicated by a red light. The heating process will be followed by automatic cooling to around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. The cooling process is indicated by a blue light. You can monitor the temperature on the display. Now rotate the 3-in-1 repair bridge so the vacuum piston is once again centered over the stone chip, and tighten the piston until the rubber lip touches firmly against the glass. Break off the pipette and fill the contents into the black part of the vacuum piston. Press around 4 to 5 times to ensure that all of the resin has been deposited into the stone chip. Now reinsert the inner part of the vacuum piston and screw down until the white rubber ring opens around 5 to 6 millimeters. Use the mirror to have clear view of the process. Now leave the vacuum piston with pressure against the glass for around 40 to 60 seconds. After that, you can remove the mirror and use the lighter to warm up the stone chip from the inside. Make sure not to heat more than you are always able to touch the glass. It is always possible to heat the repair while the pressure vacuum process is in progress. Reinstall the mirror afterward. Loosen the inner part of the vacuum piston until the O-ring is visible. Then fit the large syringe onto the vacuum piston. Hold the whole system tight and pull back the pump to create vacuum for about 5 seconds. This will remove any remaining air from the repair. The process can be repeated. Remove the syringe and tighten the inner part of the vacuum piston until the white rubber ring opens about 5 to 6 millimeters. Now once again, leave the system with pressure for 20 to 30 seconds and heat from the inside of the glass if necessary. Rotate the 3-in-1 repair bridge and evaluate the repair. You can repeat the process if you are not satisfied with the result. Now apply a drop of pit filler to the stone chip. And use the slide hammer to remove any remaining air bubbles by gently running it across the repair. Apply the curing film on top of the pit filler and rotate the 3-in-1 repair bridge to the UV lamp. Turn on the system and activate the UV lamp using the left button. The lamp cures the stone chip within 30 seconds. You can now remove the 3-in-1 repair bridge, the mirror, and the curing film. Wipe away any uncured resin. Use the razor blade at a 90-degree angle towards the glass and gently scrape off the cured resin. Now apply the polish and polish the area with a clean soft cloth or clean piece of paper to achieve the final result.